Why do you say that?
Well, you picked this fine ride for one, and more importantly, you picked a fine singing Spelman woman to be your wife.
So does that mean you have good taste too, since you picked a handsome guitar-playing Morehouse man to be your husband?
Absolutely.
You know, moving around like this makes me think of our first tour in our old Genesis. Driving from city to city, making music on the road.
That was a magical time. You know, we might need to queue up another road trip to take out this new Genesis GV80 Coupe.
Yeah, you know, with this new E-Supercharger, moving from city to city would be a blast. The level up is real.
See, that's what happens when you put a Spelman woman with a Morehouse man.
That's right. Beautiful wife, beautiful life, and a beautiful ride, making beautiful music together.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.